Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into download mode. Now for this, we will need to have a cable that is plugged into our computer. So I have one ready right here. And next, on our device, we're going to need to turn it off. So swipe down for notifications, swipe down once more, select the power button, and choose power off. When the device turns off, you want to start holding the volume up and down at the same time, and while holding both of these buttons, you want to plug in the cable. I recommend placing the cable in the port just loosely. As you can see, it's not actually plugged in yet. So hold both of the buttons and then push it in. And there we go. It will boot it into this warning page. I can unplug this. Typically, obviously, you'd want to continue to have it plugged in, as when you're booting it into download mode, you're booting it to probably get something from a computer. But this is just a demonstration, so I don't need to. Anyway, here we have a warning page. So custom OSs can cause critical problems in a phone, blah, 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 whatever. It's basically Samsung's way of telling you don't install custom software because we don't really like that, because we can't gather data on you and we won't be able to control you. So we will do other things like, for instance, disabling fingerprint sensor or cameras. And yes, that is something that Samsung does. So keep in mind when you do this, you basically lose part of the functionality of a device that you paid full price for, and actually premium price, to be honest. Anyway, it does tell us to continue. We need to press volume up, so that's what I'm going to do. And this will then take us to the download mode. Now in here, that's basically the download mode, not much to it, but we do have a message letting us know how to leave this mode. So we leave it by holding volume down and power button. I refuse to refer to this as a side button or side key, as volume buttons are also on the side. Doesn't make them side keys. So yeah, anyway, so we're gonna hold our power button and volume down at the same time, which is a way to forcibly reboot the device. Basically similar to reset button on the computer. Once it turns off, you can let go of the buttons and simply wait for the device to boot back up. When it's booting up, it's automatically going to boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.